Hello and namaste everyone, myself Nilesh Shah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see the different visualization tools in our eTabs version 18. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button down there. For more updates, stay tuned and yeah, watch the video till the last. We shall start with walkthrough. Walkthrough means that how can you walk on. Okay, so for example, if you walk in your house on any floors, you will see all the interior parts of your house. Okay, in this way here also you can walk through this building and you can see all the interior parts inside there. So for that we shall close this window. We shall work in 3D view. Yeah, and here we can see in option, in the graphics mode we will select DirectX because walk feature requires a 3D view with DirectX graphics. So we have applied the DirectX graphics here. Okay, so here in the toolbar you cannot see. Yeah, here it is. Here you can see the walk command on the toolbar. But if there is not walk command here on the toolbar in your eTabs, then go to view, and from here you can select the walk command. Okay, so select it either from here or here. It will be highlighted until you click for the next time. And now if you want to go inside this building, yeah, then press the left button of your mouse and move your mouse. But before that we should now select the extruded view toggle. Now as we have selected the extruded view, it looks like more realistic and the walkthrough will also look more realistic. Okay, so now let us move inside the building. Let us rotate a bit. Okay, so for that click the left button of your mouse and move your mouse. Okay, yeah, so you can see you can move all over the floor by clicking the left button of your mouse and moving your mouse. Now if you click the right button of your mouse and move it, you will go up and down in your building. So now here you are at the base. You can see the first floor, second floor, floor wise here, and again if you want to move here and there, then click on your left mouse button and move your mouse there. Okay, so you can see now by clicking the center button and moving your mouse, you can rotate your walkthrough. Here you can see you can rotate all around the view of your building. It's more realistic now, look like moving on the floor at the real building. Now if you want to come out of this view, then again click on this walkthrough. Now I am out of the building now. Now click the walk command again to get out of this command. Now we have seen the walkthrough command in the visualization tool, and now we will see a cutaway. Cutaway means this command allows a user to slice away a portion of the building along the grid line. Suppose here you can see the grid line 2. Let's close this extrude view. Here you can see the grid line 2, and if you want to view the building, that is if you want to view the portion of the building only left of this, that is only the back side of this 2 grid line, and you want to remove this portion, that is from 1 to 2, you want to remove this portion, then you can use cutaway command. And if you want to remove, suppose this is the third grid line, and if you want to remove this portion, that is 3 to 4 portion, and you only want to look on these portions, then you can use this command. Okay, so let's start with this command. Okay, now for C, the walkthrough command is not available in this standard graphics. You should be in this DirectX. And now to use the cutaway tool, we will go to view. Here you can see the set elevation view. Click on it, and then you can see the different elevations of the buildings. And suppose if you want to cut out the left portion of grid line 3, that is, you want to cut away the back portion of third grid line, so we will go to grid line 3 and we will cut the left portion, and here 3D cut, apply. So you can see the building has been cut. And now if you want to see that cut portion, that is the section portion, then you can rotate your building. Okay, so you can rotate your building and you can see the interiors of the building. And again, if you want to cut the right portion of grid line 2, that is this portion of the grid line 2, then what you can do is go to grid line, select the right, and here 3D section cut, and then apply. So here you can see, we can see all the interior parts of the building that you want by cutting away the portion that is not required or that you don't want. So in this way you can use the cutaway option and walkthrough option. And one thing, this cutaway feature does not alter the model. It only displays what is happening in the current window. That is, it doesn't change your model. Okay, it only displays that what you are doing in the window right now in the current situation. Now close this and you can go to now plan view. Now if you want, then add a new window here, that is a 3D view. It hasn't been altered yet. And now you can set your graphic mode to a standard graphics that was at the initial phase. Okay, now I've shown you how to use the walkthrough command and cutaway command. In this way you can use the visualization tools of ETABS. Now I'd like to take a leave here, and before that, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more ETABS videos, because it encourages me to make more ETABS videos for you guys, and share with your friends. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.